welcome to day 23 of my raw fruitarian weight loss test. My waist is 26, about the same as yesterday. Hips are 37, same as yesterday. Thighs are 20 and a half. So not much change from yesterday. Weight is 128.6. So about the same as yesterday overall. One thing I wanted to point out in this video was in this modern day of processed foods and everyone eating pizza and sodas and just a general atmosphere of not caring about health, sitting on the couch watching TV. If you choose to reject all that and start eating healthy and get active, never let anyone make you feel like you are weird or strange or different for wanting to be healthy. That is ridiculous. And if they care about you, they should want you to eat right and take care of yourself. So if everyone around you is obese and eating chips and pizza and soda and just sitting on the couch watching TV and they start to make fun of you for wanting to be healthy and eat apples and bananas instead of nachos, just shrug it off. This is the only body you have, and if you want to take care of it, that means you're smart. So never let anyone make you feel like you are strange for wanting to be healthy. And that's all I have to say about that. Just be strong and do what you have to do. Just ignore it. And personally, I love being able to shop in the little girls section when I don't find anything in the women's section. It's really cool. It makes you feel good. And you have so much more energy when you're not carrying around extra weight. Extra weight is also a strain on your heart. Think of your body as a pickup truck. The more you add to the back of the pickup truck, the more power the pickup truck needs to go, and the more weighed down it is. So no, extra weight is not healthy. People think being a little bit chubby is healthy. It is not. It is not at all. Being chubby is not healthy. Skinny is healthy. And of course, I'm not talking about emaciated. Skinny and emaciated are two completely different things. So that was my main point for this video. Just don't let anyone make you feel like you are strange for wanting to take control of your health, for wanting to exercise, and for wanting to eat right. Those are admirable things. So just stick with it. Thanks for watching.